think this Retropia lens right here has easily become one of my favorite lenses to shoot on recently, honestly, just because it's giving off that authentic film aesthetic look that, you know, people are really now looking forward to. And honestly, me being a full-time, you know, content creator, well, I ain't gonna say a full-time, I'm gonna say a somewhat, I'm a partial but full-time, but somewhat partial full-time content creator out here in St. Louis. You know, I want to go ahead and get that nostalgic film look, you know, and everything without having to do too much work. You know, we have these expensive mirrorless cameras out here that we're shooting on, and it's like, you know, we got to shoot, we get the more modern look, but then we got to go home and we have to distort the images, add so much grain to it, add certain filters to it, just to go ahead and get that nice aesthetic. But the Retropia lens right here actually changes the whole entire game for us. We no longer have to do all the heavy lifting when it comes down to editing. All we have to do is literally put on this simple, small Oreo shaped lens and shoot. Like literally, like I think this is dope. So I went ahead and took the Retropia lens outside. We went over to like Edwardsville, Illinois, whatever, did like a couple little shoots of like, you know, people walking in the streets, some cars, and just like, you know, just the overall aesthetic view itself. Just because, you know, I wanted to see exactly what this lens could possibly do and would it be beneficial for someone like me. Like I said, I normally do photography and everything, and I come home and I do all the heavy lifting, you know, for editing on Lightroom, but it's like, you know, I don't want to do that as often because it's like, if I had an easier way to just shoot and deliver with having a good look, then I can shoot more versus, you know, having to shoot, edit, send, wait, you know, all the other funny stuff. Y'all probably know what I'm talking about. But anyway, you guys, it's CJ Brand, and today we're going to be talking about the Retropia Film Lens. Just because, like I said, I think this is one of the best lenses that's actually on the market itself. Now, this right here is not going to be a autofocus lens. It is a manual lens itself. However, the focus on here is literally infinity. So therefore, you really don't have to worry about, you know, not being in focus unless you're trying to take a macro shot, which you should know that's impossible almost. But anyway, this right here is going to be a 32mm fixed focus lens right here, and it does have an aperture set already. I want to say maybe anywhere between like f10 to f11. It really just depends, because on the website it says both. Even on certain boxes it says a little bit of like it may be f10 and maybe f11, but honestly I don't trip off that at all, because I mean on a bright sunny day like today, if you go outside, you know, you have the lens and stuff, you can still, you know, manually adjust, you know, the settings that you needed to be set at, but just know your aperture itself will go ahead to be stuck at, you know, f10 or f11. Now, one of my favorite things about the lens, like I said once again, is the fact that I can just simply go ahead and plug this right into my camera. I don't need any sort of adapters because this lens right here has an RF mount, which that is how I have on my Canon cameras. But if you have like a Sony, a Leica, a Fuji, a Nikon, any other brands that may be out here, I can't think of them off the top of my head, Retropia makes lenses just for that camera model as well. Now, this right here is going to be made out of, I think it's like recycled plastics and everything, and it has a very unique design to it just because, I mean, literally it looks like a freaking Oreo itself. And I think there's another version that's out there that actually has like a white version, like an inside of it, but Retropia, they normally do like a couple of different, like, you know, I want to say like samples of it. Like I know they had like the pink and white one and everything recently for I think it was breast cancer awareness, and I think they're coming out with a couple more, and I'm kind of upset because I really wish I would have got the pink one just so I can have it, you know, and everything. But yeah, I think this is literally a dope lens for any creator to go pick up, just because, I mean, it's very easy to use. It's fun as well. So, you know, if you're inside of like a club and you're with your friends, or you guys are like doing any type of engagement activities, I would say grab yourself one of these. Like I said, it's a 32mm lens, and it's not that bad at all. It's really not that bad. Grab this, grab a flash, and go have a freaking blast, man. Retropia, they also have their own little small little camera flashes too, which I personally can't wait to go pick up one, just because I want to see how that flash is going to look with this lens attached to it, and I think it's really going to look dope, man. But yeah, so check out these little photos and everything that we do have, and I guess we'll see you guys in the next video. Peace.